Unlock your study potential.
Enhance your learning with free digital tools designed to improve focus, retention, and productivity. Whether you're a student or a lifelong learner, the right resources can make studying more effective and less stressful. Here are 5 highly recommended no-cost online tools that can help you organize, memorize, and master information with confidence.
Notion. Organize everything in one place.
Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace for notes, task management, and project organization. You can create custom study schedules, track assignments, and manage reading lists. Its flexible interface lets you build pages and databases tailored to your studying needs, helping you keep everything organized and easy to access.
Quizlet. Make memorization easy.
Quizlet offers digital flashcards and study modes that make memorizing facts and concepts efficient and engaging. You can create your own flashcard sets or use thousands shared by other learners. With various study games and test features, Quizlet turns revision into an interactive experience that helps reinforce knowledge.
Pomofocus. Manage your time wisely.
Pomofocus is a simple online Pomodoro timer that helps you break study sessions into manageable chunks. The proven Pomodoro technique improves concentration by encouraging 25 minutes of focused work, followed by short breaks. This method can help fight procrastination and keep your mind fresh as you study.
Google Keep quick note-taking on the go.
Google Keep streamlines note-taking by letting you quickly jot down ideas, reminders, or to-do lists. Its color-coded notes, labels, and easy search functions help you organize important information. Syncing across devices makes it simple to capture thoughts whenever inspiration strikes, supporting your study routine wherever you are.
Grammarly. Polish your writing instantly.
Grammarly is a free online tool that checks your grammar, spelling, and clarity as you write. Whether you're composing essays, reports, or messages, Grammarly highlights issues and suggests improvements, helping you communicate your ideas effectively and with confidence. Strong writing skills are essential for academic success.
Supercharge your studies today.
These 5 digital tools are free, easy to use, and designed to make your study sessions more productive. Try them out and see how organizing, memorizing, managing your time, note-taking, and writing get easier than ever. Study smarter and reach your goals with these trusted online resources.